The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Thursday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Mark chapter 3 verses 7 to 12. The gospel is all about how Jesus started his public ministry, and there were many people following him from different places. They all wanted to be healed, they wanted to listen to Jesus, and some of them wanted to be freed from the cast of evil. And even the devil himself recognized Jesus when he said, "I know who you are the Son of God." My dear sisters and brothers, whatever our reason for following Jesus, let us be reminded that the Lord will never run away from us. But we have to purify our intention why we keep on following Jesus. And hopefully, we come to Him not only for mundane reasons, but we come to Him because we wanted to be saved. Because if our reason for following the Lord is merely because of very worldly necessities that we want to receive, then we are no different from the evil who recognize God, follow the Lord, but then again, they don't want to have a transformation in their life. A true follower of Jesus will see healing, will witness proclamation, and will see greater things. But only those who are truly believing will receive the ultimate blessing of eternal life. Because not everyone who follows, not everyone who witnesses on the gospel of the Lord will truly accept Him. Only those who will have a transformation in their lives. So you decide. You want to follow Jesus? Then let us have a transformation in our life. Someone who is truly deserving of heaven. God bless.